Hi there and welcome to the first Fraser High School Adobe Photoshop tutorial. My name is Mr. Tan and I'll be leading you through a number of Photoshop sessions. Let's get started. Let's click on the Start menu please. And then we want to go to All Programs, Adobe Design Standard CS4 and then Adobe Photoshop. It's going to load up quite quickly for me. A box is going to come up. Let's press No. And here we have the Adobe Photoshop suite. To our left are the tools that we'll be using. Top is the top menu and to our right another bunch of tools. So let's look at the tools. The first one we're going to look at is called the Move tool, Rectangle Marquee, Lasso tool, Magic Wand, Crop, Eyedropper, Spot Healing, Brush tool, Clone Stamp, the History Brush, the Eraser, the Paint Bucket, the Blur, the Pen, the Type, the Path Selection, the Line, the Hand, and of course the Zoom tool. And so if we just hold down that click there, you can see that it goes, we have a choice between the Quick Selection or the Magic Wand tool. I could select either one. The same could be done for the crop, the eyedropper, and so forth. All I need to do is just click down on it and then select a different tool. It's quite nifty to use when we're doing different things in Photoshop. Okay. Up here we have our menus, we have the file. I'm going to create a new one. I want you to type in please Adobe Test. We can also choose the preset, what type of paper. We're going to choose International and the size is there. Let's choose A5 and we want to check the color mode. This is quite important. Set it to RGB. Let's click OK. Here we have our first Adobe Photoshop blank canvas. So that's all I'd like you guys to do today, and we're just going to make sure that we save it. So we're going to go File. Before we do that, let's just check out the different menu bars. If I'd like you to save it, please go File, Save As, find your folder. Okay, so I'm just trying to find the folder here, DT5 Photoshop. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it Moves Like Jagger. So this is where we're going to put all our Adobe Photoshop tools in there. Save it, Adobe Test, and I'm going to click Save. Excellent. So that's us for today.